Hi, today in this video we show you some paper creation for the spring. This is a cute paper daisy earring with the button, and I created this cute daisy using some paper and 2 paper punches. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute daisy earring. You will need a flower punch, a leaf punch, the circle punch, 1 button, and this stud for the earring, for the back of the earring. Okay, we will need some white paper, and we will punch 2 times our flower. Okay, voila. Now we will do in this way in order to create a sort of a form with some vinyl glue, the white glue or tacky glue if you have. We will glue the 2 flowers together. Now we will need to create our leaves with this paper punch or something similar, or you can create your leaf by hand, cutting with a pair of scissors. We will create our leaves. Okay, and we will put together with our daisy. Okay, voila. Now we will need to create the center with some, I will use this piece of yellow paper. This paper is mulberry paper. It's quite nice, but you can use the regular cardstock. Okay, 2 times we will create 2 circles, and we will glue one on the other and on the flower. Okay, the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, voila. Okay, perfect. Now we will need our button, and we will glue our daisy on the button. Better to use a glue like this one. There's a hypo cement, is for jewelry, beading, hobbies, and other things. Okay, we will glue this flower to our button. This glue is not an easy glue because it doesn't glue immediately, but you have to wait half an hour, but it's better in this way. Okay, now we will need to glue the back. Okay, now if you want you can add some nail polish in gold. I will put some gold polish in the center. I think it's quite nice. Okay, Okay, and leave it to dry. Now we will need to wait some minutes for the glue and the nail polish to dry, and then we can glue this part to our earring. They are quite nice and so springly. Okay, we are waiting for the glue to dry, but it seems that today the glue doesn't want to dry. So when the glue will be dried, and it's better to wait for a minimum 1 hour. Okay, you can glue this on the back, this stud on the back, and you can glue or in the middle, or I glue in this position because I prefer the idea of having this in this way, my earring in this way. Okay, so after this glue it will be ready. I will glue this on the back here, I think in this place. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video and this paper creation, and please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another paper creation. Bye bye.